Ba't ka tumatawa? Laki ng cross ko eh. Buong noo. No! Ikaw ang nagmo-move!
Wow! One more.
It's like when you're looking at it, para kang nahuhulog.
Para kung meron uphill doon, pwede nga tulog si Mike.
Ang ganda! First time niya sa snow. Cute.
Clear naman po, normal.
Katakawan na siguro.
Good morning from Seattle, Washington. It's Ash Wednesday today. So as good Catholics, we will go to Mass. 9 a.m. pa lang today. Today is our first full day here in Seattle. So nandito kami sa neighborhood ng ninang ko. So very grateful na meron kaming titiran. Tada! And tingnan nyo to. Merong usok kasi malamig. Papakita ko yung church nila. Aww, this is the church. Tingnan nyo lahat ng puno dito, parang Christmas tree. Ang galing. Yun yung napansin ko paglapag namin kahapon. Choir yung kids. Cute. Yeah, Ash Wednesday Mass. Tapos na kami mag-mass. Ba't ka tumatawa? Laki ng cross ko eh. Buong noo.
Ganun ba? Ako ba? Hindi ko alam eh.
Ayan, ito.
Hindi, ito na. Kita ko na.
Ikaw, pati na sa'yo, mahal. Ah, sa'yo din. So, we are here at Kerry Park. Maraming mga Grey's Anatomy scenes here in the Kerry Park with the view of the Space Needle over there. Diba? Nakikita nyo pag nanonood kayo ng Grey's Anatomy. Yung first part, ayan yung pinapakita na landmark. Ang galing, ano? Tapos nirelive namin yung mga scenes ng Grey's Anatomy here. It's so nice. And then, of course, nasa neighborhood ka ng mga alta, ng mga mayayaman. Kasi with this view. So, sobrang nice. Ayan yung mga bahay. Mga milyones daw yung mga bahay na yan. Sobrang laki. This is the park. And then, this is your view. So, pwede kang mag-jogging dito. Pwede kang pumupo dito. Ayan, no? May mga upuan. Ganda ng neighborhood kasi ang lalaki ng mga bahay. Tsaka somewhere down here, andyan daw yung mga bahay nila Derek Shepherd and Meredith Grey. Somewhere here. Pero I don't know where. Hindi na namin pupuntahan.
Ito rin gusto namin sa New York. May maraming pwedeng upuan.
Ay, sa iyo, sa
Tatambay
Highline.
ka. Oo, sa Highline.
Highline,
Upo ka
tama.
lang dun talaga.
Oo.
Highline. Upo ka lang dun. Ganda-ganda.
Ganda. We are here sa Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation office. Ang ganda ng office nila. All glass. And very sustainable. Kasi they use plants sa floorings nila. Tapos may view ka pa ng Space Needle. Ayan o. Ganda. Ito yung itsura ng mga offices nila. Wow. Sana masalubong natin si Bill Gates.
Wala eh.
Wala daw siya today. Akala ko masasalubong natin siya. Hello, historical si Bill
Just go
Gates.
down.
Guys, tignan nyo to. Syringe.
Saka mga gamot, yun mo, ginawa ng display.
Oo.
Kasi tapon nila yung mga gamot-gamot, di ba? Gawin ng display.
Correct.
Ang
Nice.
ganda ba? Kaya-kaya ni Tony yan.
Oo naman. Si Kuya Tony pa. Wisdom from Bill Sr. When we are inspired to work together in the interest of an engaging cause, there is no problem bigger than we are. Nax. This is their food, cafeteria.
We have
Ganda.
salads, we have grill, we have sandwiches. Hindi ko tayo kung gusto yung kainin.
Wow. Today we are going there in the Space Needle. Akitin namin yan. Yeah. Tawid kami. Cute naman ng school bus. Ang cute! Hindi ko man lang na-experience magka-school bus. Kasi yung school namin katapat lang ng bahay. Museum of Pop Culture. Super nice weather here in Seattle. Contrary to what other people say, na it's always raining here and there's no sun. But today, it's very sunny. Look! Amazing. nandito na kami sa entrance and we will go up the Space Needle. Ano nga ba ang Space Needle? I-google natin siya. So, Space Needle is Seattle's #1 iconic view. It's 605 feet above the city. So, you will see the whole of Seattle in that structure. Yung construction na to, 1961 ginawa. So, talagang iconic siya. So, kung makikita nyo sa Grey's Anatomy, yan yung laging unang scene sa unang part. So, here's our ticket for that Space Needle. When you're here inside, you will see the history of the Space Needle. It was founded 1961. Dati $1 lang ang ticket dito. Ngayon, $40 na. This is the entrance going there. Free photo included with ticket. Nice! Wow, mahal! Wow! Wow!
Are you okay?
He's gonna be fine! Siyempre, takot yung asawa ko. Ayan siya, oh. Kaya mo yan! Guys, look at this view! Grabe, 360 degree of buong Seattle. Tapos sa baba nito, makikita mo pa yung baba. Tapos pwede kang umupo dyan. Kung may fear of heights ka, medyo nakakatakot din. Pero, kaya naman. Yan yung mga chairs. Yan yung bench pala. So, it's full glass. Even the bench is glass. Seattle is really beautiful. So, may mga spaces, may mga walang bench, but nakaslant siya. It's like when you're looking at it, para kang nahuhulog, ganon. So, 360 degrees siya. Galing, ano? And you'll see the beautiful Seattle. Merong malaking gagamba. Tingnan mo yun. Ayan, ang laki ng gagamba. Galing. Oh my God, it's moving, look. It's moving, it's moving, it's moving. You're also moving.
No, you are moving. I'm staying.
No, you're moving. You're moving, mahal.
You are moving.
No, ikaw ang nagmo-move. Kung sabihin sa iyo, this is revolving. This floor is revolving. I am moving. Oh, this is how the revolving restaurant looks like. Dito nagsushoot yung Grey's Anatomy during the first few seasons. Ito yung hospital kunwari, pero studio talaga siya. Ayan. With a view of Space Needle. Pier 56. So we're watching this Wings over Washington. It's a 4D flying theater. Yay! Ay, ano ba to? Mainit pag nasa araw, pero it's cold.
Pag wala ka sa araw, malamig.
Yeah, you're gonna be pretty high up in the trees. Very simple, what you do is raise the...
So, sasakay kami ng, ano ba tong flying something? Ano ba tong flying...
Eagle something. Flying eagle wings.
Wings over Washington.
Wings over Washington.
Nakahawa ka kayo, Mike?
Wala, para sure. Para nga yung sa Nakakahilo!
Wow, walang hilo-hilo. Now we're going to the forest. They're rangers. What about rangers? Oh, yeah. Oh, we're going to the...
rabbits.
Yeah. Marina. Important. Kasi you can do whale watching.
at this, guys. Sobrang ganda. Doon kami pupunta sa Pike Place Market.
Wow! One more.
Doon na sa loob. So guys, this is the very first Starbucks.
Another girl.
Shut up!
This is the only one with still the mermaid sign, you know? Like that's the one.
Oh yeah.
May specific silang pinadala.
We are waiting for our coffee.
This is the very first Starbucks.
Pike Place in Seattle. The original with the old logo pa. This is the old logo.
Are you guys having fun so far?
Yes.
No, you guys got beautiful.
I know. I'm so glad it is.
Yeah.
This is their public market. It's a popular tourist spot. You can see a lot of different kinds of people and mga binibenta.
Mamaya. See how they make cheese? It's the curd.
Oh wow! It's there.
Tofu, sagi, and then becomes curd.
Wow, parang ang sarap! Ito mahaba to. Samut-saring binibenta. From biscuits, cheese, fruits, marami pa. Souvenir, bread.
Oh, no more? Oh, no more. Kasi naman, very bad.
So this Filipino store here in Seattle since 1970s?
73.
73. Tapos nagbebenta sila ng Filipino food dito, snacks, and nagluluto sila ng chicken adobo. Nanalo silang Michelin. Kaso yung nagluluto ngayon nasa Pilipinas, kaya sarado sila. So April pa mag-o-open. We're going to the farmer's market inside this public market here in Pikes. Andyan lang yung Filipino store. Yan, ito, sa kanan. So makikita mo siya agad. So ito yung symbol ng Pike. Yung baboy na yan. Yan. Siyempre, farmer's market nga eh. So, yan. Ito yung makikita mo. Yan, ito. Ito yung makikita nyo. May shops, may mga restaurants, may bars. Ah, so mas mura Bulaklak dito. Ang ganda oh. Ano yung tinikman ko?
Honey pecan.
Honey pecan, sarap.
Other two of the honey pecan.
Sarap. Tapos na kami dito sa public market. Anong mga nabudol sa atin? Marami.
Chocolate.
Tsokolating may cherry. Tapos,
Pecan.
pakita mo yan. Tada! Tapos yung mga pineapple bun.
I'm excited ako kayo.
Rainier cherries.
Yan, Rainier cherries. Dito lang yan sa Washington. Dito na, mag-elevator na.
Okay, mapangit.
Ito ang first Starbucks
So
Reserve
dito sila
Roast.
nagdadasal ng Our Father tsaka Hail Mary.
The heck?
Rosary pala yun.
Nakakatawa yun.
Sige,
Yeah.
tayo kayo
Nakakatawa
dyan.
yun.
Tayo.
We are now entering the Starbucks Reserve Roastery.
Oh, they're roasting. Come on, let's go.
Oh, yeah. Wow, look at this. This is how they roast.
I don't think they are. Okay.
Ang laki. Sobrang laki. Laki na ito, guys. Sobrang laki.
You know, like croissants, and
Croissants.
pizzas.
Pizza.
And then they have like the olive bread.
Affogato, decaf. Ito ay chocolate. Tiramisu? Tiramisu?
Ay,
Ano
hindi.
ba yan?
Chocolate ganache.
Chocolate ganache. Actually, nakalagay yung Pike Place na first Starbucks doon. Ayan, nakalagay siya. Good morning! We are on our way to the summit to see the snow! Kasi hindi kompleto ang trip ni Mike kung walang snow siyang nakita.
Ako lang talaga?
Oo, syempre, kung first time eh. Look at the road and the surroundings. It's so nice. Lahat Christmas tree. Ang ganda talaga.
Evergreen.
Ito talaga ang favorite ko.
Kaya Washington is called Evergreen State.
Evergreen State, Washington. So, abangan niyo mamaya
Mahulog ni Mike sa snow.
titingnan natin. I-video natin yan.
Ay, sana may dala tayong sled pala.
Sled talaga?
Para kung meron uphill doon, pwede natin mahulog si Mike.
Oo.
Ay, iya mo may garbage bag ako dyan, pwede na rin. Pero sarado yan eh.
Tignan mo, ang ganda-ganda!
Lalo yung sa side eh.
Yeah.
Sarado siya.
Residential.
Ano natin dito?
Look at the snow! Ang kapal!
Grabe kahit
Naghahanap lang kami ng bahay na.
Naiiyak ka ba?
iyak ako sa snow.
Dito na kami!
Kaya mo?
Naku, aakit siya.
Mahal.
First time niya sa snow. Cute.
Saya.
So, hindi na kami magsiski. Gagawa na lang kami ng mga kalokohan dito.
Hindi pa rin?
Kaya mo ya. Yehey! So, today, ito kami ngayon naglalakad with my Onitsuka. Medyo malamig sa paa pero makapal naman yung socks ko. Pero ito, wala akong nararamdaman na lamig sa ulo ko kasi yung beanie. Tapos yung jacket ko medyo makapal. Tapos naka-pants naman ako na waterproof. Medyo mainit. Yung paa ko lang talaga yung medyo nafe-feel ko yung lamig. Pero bearable naman. As long as we're moving. So, it's a ski resort here. Hindi kami pwede sumakay ng mga yan, no? Kasi pang magsiski lang naman yan. Skiers, yung matawag sa kanila. So, kaya... Yan, dito na lang kami mag kung ano-ano. Dapat mataas. Magsusnow angel yung first timer. Ayan.
Nalibibigya kita ha.
Guys, may papakita kami sa inyo. Sobrang ganda nito. As in. Boom. Boom. So, ito yung nagbibigay ng kuryente sa mga tao dito. Sa mga bahay-bahay. So,
Snoqualmie.
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 Snoqualmie Falls. Tsaka yung trees, my God. Favorite ko talaga yung mga evergreens. Yes, we're here in Snoqualmie Falls Park. Yun yung nakita nyo kaninang waterfalls. Ay, if you ask me what's my favorite thing about Washington, it's really the trees. I am in love with the trees. And magkakaiba sila ng anyo at kind. Pero pare-pareho silang shape. Ganda. We are in Costco. Ito yung murang shoppingan nila at grocery nila. Tapos pati gas station mura. I'm gonna get some pizza because I'm craving for pizza. We only had pizza once in New York. So, might as well get another pizza. Kasi tomorrow, we're leaving here na and then going to Las Vegas. Itong slice ng pizza na to na kasing laki ng kamay ko. $1.99 lang. Ang mura!
Ito,
Tapos itong chicken bake, $3.99.
Ito hotdog mo po.
So, wala pang 200 pesos yan.
Lagyan mo
Tapos
ng-
ito,
Yes.
$2. So, yung buong pagkain namin, isang meal na yun sa iba. Grabe, mura naman dito sa Costco. Okay, so magpapa-car wash kami. And ganito yung car wash nila. my gosh, look! So nice!
Yan yung kanina ko pa sinasabi
Oo
sa'yo.
nga, pero naalala ko to nung bata ako. Alam mo talaga nililinisan yung buong katawan mo, pagkatao. Pati yung gulong mo nalilinisan nito, di ba? Nakakatuwa! Grabe, ang kakapal nung ano. Hindi pa tapos. May sealant pa. Ito, dryer. Ang cute! $12.
Not bad.
Not bad. Tapos, imagine mo na lang, di ba? Wala ka nang kahirap-hirap, di ka na kailangan mag-antay ng sobrang tagal. Pero yun lang, yung loob, hindi nalilinisan yung loob. Sa scrub, ikaw na yan.
Unless mo gusto mo ipa-auto detail.
Ayun, pero meron din. Merong option din.
Wala na
Ganda
siya.
talaga ng
Ang
mga
check-up
boat.
lang dun siya.
Good morning, guys. Today is our last day here in Washington. And kanina, nakakatuwa. Nakakita kami ng cherry blossoms. Konting-konti pa lang dito, pero bilang na bilang sa daliri yung cherry blossoms na nakita namin. Pero sobrang grateful nakakita kami kasi nakapag-shoot din ako for cherry blossoms pop-up ni Klook. So, di ko alam kung anong araw ko ma-upload tong video na to, pero by that time siguro tapos na yun. Uy! There's a squirrel! Yan ang gustong-gusto makita ni Mike. Huwag mong guluhin, mahal. So, ayun nga. We really had fun last night watching Cirque du Soleil. Sobrang ganda ng Cirque du Soleil. Parang feeling mo atakihin ka sa puso, mamamatay kapag, alam mo, hindi ka makakahinga kasi grabe yung mga stunts na ginagawa nila, pero it's really worth it. It's one of a kind and you'll see really talented people. So, yun yung ginawa namin kahapon. Nag-Cirque du Soleil kami. Hindi ko na masyadong na video kasi I wanted to really be present at the moment and, you know, spend our technically last night here in Washington. Today we're here in the Lake Washington before we leave for Las Vegas tonight. So yung flight namin is tonight. Excited din kami for panibagong state na naman. But I fell in love here in Washington. It's undeniably beautiful, most especially the trees. The trees are really something that sparks joy for me. Sobrang ganda! Tingnan nyo to. Ang ganda! May mga ducks. Oh. Ano yun? Sparrow ba tawag dyan?
Crow.
Crow? Sparrow.
Iba yung sparrow.
Ang ganda. Nakaka-relax naman dito.
Sobra.
Sobrang nakaka-relax.
Kasi maglakad ka lang sa dock, yun sa video.
Oo. Favorite ko talaga yung mga puno. Tignan nyo naman, ang gaganda ng puno. It's a nice park. There's a hotel nearby, Hyatt. If I'll be given the opportunity to go back here in the States, I would probably spend time here in Washington or in New York or sa best friend ko. Yun lang. Kahit yung 3 lugar lang na yun. Pero alam ko marami pa tayong pwedeng puntahan. Like Texas kasi sobrang dami naming friends doon na gusto rin kami makita.